to the bullet. Let's go. That gum's good, but it's too strong.
I know, it gets too strong, makes you thirsty.
The very beginning is nice, but man, it's too strong. 5 gum's the best gum, though. Patty, move! Holy crap. Oh, my guy's blowing energy again. Whoa. Oh, I'm out of bones completely.
Look at that guy. What is happening? He died sitting in the dumper.
Why'd you
You gotta go in the water again.
How'd they even get a couch down here? Oh! That's not the that's not even the demon armor either. That's the ancient armor.
It's still pretty cool though. That's
The demon armor is the demon armor, it's on a pedestal with people bowing down all around it.
Well guys, where are we going? Are we going back to the base?
Yeah, we haven't seen base in a good while.
Or do you want to grab the machete real quick? Oh wait, Kyle don't have his thing, that's right.
What?
Wait,
It's
Kyle,
not-
you have to have your paraglider because we're so freaking far away from the base.
My dumbass must have forgot to pick it up then because it's not my inventory.
Oh no, because you started at the base, that's why I forgot. You started at the base.
Oh, he probably he put it on the rack.
Yeah.
Did you put it on the rack? So yeah, we have to go
That's why I
back.
scared that dude. That's why I scared that dude's gonna take it.
Oh, so we have to go back to base.
It's all good. It's all good.
Oh yeah, shotgun time.
Dude, we got the bullshit now. And we
Sit
got the
down and
rifle.
share it.
I'm
We
excited
got-
for having the rifle.
We have like full armor. We got a rifle. Wait, what was that? A rifle.
We all always have 2 sets. Think about it, you have a full set on now, then you have more in your inventory.
Yeah, dude, that was awesome, man. That was the best cave that we've been in.
That ass.
I'm out of bullets for my rifle already.
Well, I gotta see how much I got. I got 7 for my rifle
It's all about it, widow.
and 19 of each for my shotgun. I found out how you swap ammo types.
You look down. You have to look downwards.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start heading.
No, we should go find one of the things we have to dig up. No, you know what we need? No, drink
We
fed
gotta
it.
get Tyler's paragraph.
No, you know what else we need to get? Drink fed. The key card. We gotta go back.
No, we have to
We have to
that's
find
why
that.
we got the shovel.
We need to get past, we gotta go past, we can't get the machete yet, we gotta get that key card first, man. The key card we need for everything.
So I would have grabbed the machete just because it's like the second best thing in the katana for killing enemies.
What's the
Where's that in
first?
the cave?
The first is like the katana and like when it comes to melee.
Is there a
melee
katana in this game?
Yeah.
I know it's in
Is
the
it in the
first
cave?
game.
What?
The machete. Is the machete in the cave?
No, it's just sitting on the beach. That's the thing. You
Oh.
can just pick the machete up.
Oh. So it's just sitting, okay, yeah. We gotta get back to base. I marked base. Oh wait, I gotta eat straight.
Yeah, you're good. I gotta eat too.
You know, I'm gonna eat my crunchy munchies.
I forgot about them.
Oh my god, they're overpowered. Dude, they're like,
It brings down your thirst though. I just realized.
that's a good thing for me. So I want to drink my energy drink without wasting it.
Oh, you're good.
My energy drink been
Alright,
going to waste. I've been just drinking them. My guy needs to like sit down so bad.
What the hell?
What? We're stuck.
Oh, I thought we were stuck in a crevice there for a second, but it's like, oh shit.
Game over.
Yeah, try to get
They should
there.
add a ladder to the game, in my opinion, dude.
That would be pretty cool.
It's a straight up wood
Oh, dude,
ladder.
no, let's go grab the thing.
Yeah, we gotta go grab the thing. We gotta get Tyler Pettis. Paraglider. Paragluter. Yeah, there we go. Paragluter. I have to think of a nickname for it.
If we could skirt around this mountain like we are right now, we'd be...
If you jump, you go up the mountains faster.
Do we want to go up the mountain though? That's the question. I say skirt around it and try to...
Yeah, I would say scoot around it. Yeah, let's go around it. What is that? Oh, fuck. This is where you want to jump at. If you're going uphill at all, you want to jump. It makes you go 10 times faster. I learned that because I was trying to get to the highest mountain. I don't get the point of taking off the oxygen tank, really.
You can keep it on. Your guy doesn't use it when you have it on.
I know, yeah. That's why I don't get the point of taking it off.
It just looks kind of queer on your guy like that. Sometimes, like your dude looks like a... I guess it looks kind of cool, actually.
Man, they should have like
That
a...
looks kind of queer.
Man, I'm ready to see some cannibals that blow their arms off with a shotgun. The shotgun has to be the best gun in the game. The one tap.
Pretty cool.
You can one tap even the cave guys with a headshot.
I like how when you're close to him and you shoot him, it makes the splat sounds like the... You're like, damn.
I like how the limbs come off, dude. I shot one of the cave dudes in the head. His entire body went flying while his head sat still.
Damn.
I was gonna overrate. Nah, I'm probably not gonna leave.
Day 19.
This is probably we're gonna run into the caterpillar's scary. We're gonna run into a caterpillar.
Dude, he's hard to kill. I think he's harder to kill than any of the other guys.
He is.
There's like a bunch of like people put together.
No, Malzy. Yeah. Malzy's the hardest. The guy that has all like the little mouths all over him, that guy's 10 times harder than any of them.
When we get back, I found out how to build a gate. When we get back, let's build a big old gate to the base. They'll get in and it's annoying. We won't be able to do nothing.
No, we gotta put traps outside like everywhere. Put the Molotov traps everywhere. Not the Bone Maker traps. The Bone Maker traps are overpowered.
It'd be pretty badass, actually.
Dude, you don't have to use anything when you start them either. Like if you have a grenade trap, you have to.
Oh look, you're a luck telepedit.
Oh shit, boy.
My God.
Oh God.
Wait.
I got these choices so we can get back to the camp. No, I'm just playing.
Are we driving to the park?
Wait, wait, we can make grappling gun ammo, can't we? Wait. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I already have max ammo for it though.
I don't. Wait. Zipline rope. Zipline rope. Oh,
Well,
do
wait,
it.
I'm gonna make a camp thing just so we can sleep for the night, cause I don't feel like flying around in the dark. You know what I mean?
It's kind of easier because it's a full moon thing. The full moon effect.
If there is a
The rope gun is awesome.
It has a week cycle. Wait on you guys.
Alright, there's a bunch of zip lines all over here. Tyler Pettit.
Start to freeze.
Tyler Pettit.
Alright, let's go.
There's a bunch of zip lines
Look
over
up for
here,
people.
Tyler.
Come. I already got some. Let's go.
Let me save. Yeah, there we go. Who are we waiting on? How do I put it? There we go.
Ah, too late.
Oh, I killed all of them. I just killed 3 of them guys.
Oh, dude, look at all the guys we just pulled in with that.
No fucking way. Pow! Oh, I'm out of ammo. Lucky bastard. Come on back! Come on back! They were all gonna show up no matter. Wait a minute. Guys, look! Look! I'm gonna grab out my shovel now. We gotta start digging a hole.
Out.
Yeah, there's a grave, yeah. You don't see it?
Oh, let me put a flare.
Now move, what are you doing? Oh, I hit one of you guys. There's like certain spots where you can dig. Where is he?
I don't think this is one of them, though.
No, you can dig here.
It'll show you a shovel sign if you can dig.
Yeah, it does.
See that flare down? Are you Joe?
Yeah, watch out.
There's one right here.
Watch out, I got a pistol. Oh, you kill it. Hell yeah.
Bunch of skin pouches on the ground.
I couldn't find him. I was looking around for him. Get him out. I don't think this is a diggable one. It's kind of stupid.
Oh, you guys want to try the sleeping thing again?
Yeah, well that one guy ran away.
More calm.
That one guy ran away though, so he might have called more.
Kill him.
Alright, let's go 3, 2. Hey, thank you.
Oh, let's go. No, I'm dead. Now, is there any more skin pouches?
I bet it is down here if you walk around.
I blew off most of their heads. There's a bunch of heads on the ground if you look around. I got nothing but headshots. The spear guy, I watched one.
Hey, there's a skin pouch down here.
I blew most of their heads off, dude. This one's buried. Does this guy have no head? No, they have it. Oh, dude, there's another one. Oh, it's a cave.
Oh, there's a cave down here, what?
Man, there might be what's
Wait, should I pick that glider? Should I go back and pick that glider up?
Yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah,
I thought you already picked it up.
that's what I
No,
thought.
I didn't know. I thought we were gliding off somewhere.
No.
I'm coming back down there, though.
Oh, what's this? What is this? What? It's a triple. Oh, it's a spear trap.
It's the tripwire one. It's not what you think, though. It's not that great.
It's a. What? Have you used it?
Coming down there. Yeah. Down there.
What's it do?
You're good with me leaving yet.
What's it do?
It just shoots spears.
How's it not good?
It's tripwire activated, so like it only shoots at a certain point. Like,
That's
if
why you
pull
put it
the
on a
balance
bridge.
up.
Awesome. Yeah, there's a thing over here. Tyler,
Yeah,
cut it.
that's the only real cool thing is the blueprint.
Wait, how did you find it? Wait,
Well, I have another world I play with.
are you? Oh, you found it in the other world?
Does Dalton used to play this?
No. Like a few days ago. He got all mad when his son destroyed our base. He's like, oh fuck this. So like, that's why I said turn on like, you know, no destroying buildings. Can't. Yeah. It'll give you an option to dig it out.
Hey, hey! Ah! And
You got your thing, Tyler? Hold, let's go.
Yeah.
Top of this mountain. Let's go on top of the mountain.
let's find like a ledge, like a straight drop. Oh
What
look!
the hell are you over here?
Oh, she brought you something. Thank you.
Who?
She did.
Oh, what was it?
It's a berry. It's one singular berry. Oh yeah, only dropped one berry for us.
Alright, we're gonna start from right.
She's following us.
Dude, she's like a good follower. Oh, she's gonna lead us probably to where the Puffton family is. We have to kill the Puftons. I wish I... Oh, shit. Oh, ah!
Uh-oh.
Ah, no, mine went flying now! Oh. Come on! God damn it. I can't even jump from this ledge. What? Oh, there we go. Holy shit. I had me spooked. Okay, I got it.
Oh no! Hold on.
Ah, we'll
I
wait.
fell off mine, boys. I fell off mine. Oh no, I lost it.
Oh, what?
I hit the side of a cliff. There was a cloud. I couldn't see it.
I know, I watched.
Oh. Coming down, Tyler. Dude, I can't believe that. I couldn't see it at all.
Whoa, what the fuck? Is that a runway? Am I seeing things? What? Wait, I'll be back. I gotta... What the hell? Dude, there's like a big runway. I'll wait for you guys. There's like a runway. So what the hell?
Tyler, pull out your walkie-talkie. Drink something real quick. I didn't do it.
Dude, there's a big old runway over here. Chick about it.
Heard. I'm about to come up there.
Like an actual
Alright,
runway.
If you my own opinion, it's probably best to start right here, right? Like right here. And then just run. Jump. Keep. Oh, what the fuck?
He crashed. He took off. He just... What? What do you mean? Oh, you crashed?
No, my guy like took off sideways. Like he was like horizontal.
Dude, what is that? It's so weird looking. Or it's a game glitch. Might be a game glitch, a graphic glitch. But it looks like a runway.
Trying to get up there to you.
Oh no. It's like a big grass line, and has old dirt around it.
That might be part of the golf course. Oh, I think that's where we get the key card, that hole in the ground.
What? Oh!
Oh, dude, chase the helicopter. I'm about to chase the helicopter.
Where is it? I don't even see it.
Over here. It's over here.
Hey,
There's
what?
the runway.
It seems like
There's
they're
the
coming to get
helicopter.
us because we're flying around it. Like, it seems like they're noticing
Yeah.
you.
Would you die if you ran into it?
Probably. Yeah. Let me glow.
Here, wait. Wait, I'm about to go over to the grass runway thing and just kind of like fly low and check it out real quick.
That helicopter goes like all the way around the map, I think.
Yeah, it's part of the golf course, guys. It there might be. Yeah, look, it is a runway. Look, there's a crashed plane right here.
What? Is it like a cocaine runway thingy?
No, I don't think so.
Like a drug runner?
So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna go here first, or we're gonna go to the?
Is that where the key
Get the
card?
machete.
Is that where the key card is right there?
It might be. Yeah. Let's go check it out. We can always just jump back off somewhere.
Yeah, I'll say get the key card first.
Beaver Street baller, struck collar. Where's
I see the crashed airplane.
baller?
The white. Oh, there's a. No.
Oh wait, where did my fucking? Where did my thing go? Oh, there it is.
There's a cave over here. There's also a crashed golf cart. There's a cave over here for crashed golf cart. Where they went off the mountain. I want to see this airplane. Where's the? Is there anything by the airplane? Oh, there's luggage right here.
I got it on now.
5.
A lot of CDs on the ground too.
No man, they're just music people. Trust.
There's a bunch of money over here in a book bag.
Oh my god, oh, there's the dead pilot. Oh, there's a uniform inside. Oh, what's this? Another book. Oh, that's where the good hotel is.
The macaroons over here, Nathan.
Oh, dude, yes! I need those.
Right over here, right here. In the
Oh my god, there's a backpack full of, like, money. Yeah, this is a drug runner or anything. I bet you if you, like, follow a trail or something like that, you can find a dead guy.
There's some golf carts up here I said we take.
Wait, no, there's a crash. There's a cave. There's a cave. The crashed golf cart has a cave next to it. If you go to, oh, there's a, wait, I'll blow them up. Come here, buddy boy. Yeah, there's a cave. Wait, 12 minutes in, 42 minutes in. I see my blueberries. Drink some of Steve. Oh, I love it. There's a soup just called Steve. Drink a pet. Over here is there's a cave over here. Oh wait, we can drive off the cliff on the golf cart and we don't get hurt. Wait, let me hop in. Drive off the cliff to the left.
I am.
Straight up new song album that came out.
Full speed ahead! Oh, what you doing?
Is there anything over by the golf cart?
No.
Come on, Jacob, spit your verses out.
Ah, no.
That's
One verse.
We lost one, boys.
Look at this. There's a guy's face stuffed with fingers. Look at that.
Where?
There.
This must be Greg.
I like Greg.
Alright, so where are we? What the hell? I thought this was a cave.
Yeah, I saw a cave, I thought, over here. Wait a minute, look at the ground. There might be I think there's a thing underground. Because usually by the golf carts there's just stuff. Where the hell are you guys at? Oh. Uh-oh. I got cannibals on me. Pull out the shoddy. Shit, let me get out my glider. Awesome! Awesome! What? You guys are already gaining altitude. Oh, I'm about to just hit a bird out of there.
Where are we going?
Up.
I'm way above you guys.
Oh shit, I'm trying to gain altitude right now. Oh, there we go. That's the altitude I need.
Like right above Jacob Pettit.
I'm gonna catch up. Buddy, you gotta take out your walkie-talkie, you can pet it.
He's way down there. I'm watching the GPS so I can see where we're going.
Oh, okay.